Hi everybody. Hey, I just got this FPV antenna in the mail the other day, a couple days ago or so. And I noticed the back end of this had this silver lining facing outward, and it's also utilizing silver. As you can see, this is the way I received it. And I'm comparing it to the XDA patch antenna, whereas this one is utilizing copper inside, but they were facing inward towards the main reflector. So my question was, did they put this together incorrectly? Is this the way it's supposed to be? And also, why are these two pieces made out of silver bouncing off this silver reflector, whereas the XDA is utilizing copper bouncing off the silver reflector? And if you take them, I took the screws out already just to shorten the video up, and when you put these side by side, they look identical in material, shape, and design. They look the same. They look identical, with the exception of the coax cable here. The XDA is just a little bit longer than this blue one. So I'm just kind of wondering, and then also I'm thinking, wouldn't this be more beneficial if this was also made out of copper, utilizing the copper linings? I honestly don't know. I think somebody who's got more knowledge on this would probably be able to answer that. I'm just asking for some answers on this. Whereas this one's using silver, on silver. But was this intended to be the way it is, with this outside part of it facing outward? Is this correct or incorrect? I can put it back together. I can swap them around or stuff like that. So I even thought of maybe moving these over here and those over here to see if there's any difference. Has anybody got any knowledge or comments or suggestions on this? And I forgot to mention, it is for the transmitter here, for the 501 Hubsan SS. And I've been using this one lately. This one seems to be okay, but I know eventually this little piece is going to snap or break and give out. So anyways, any of your insights would be helpful. Any your knowledge, share some knowledge, and I would benefit from it, and I'm sure there'll be others who would benefit from your knowledge or insights on this question. Hey, thanks for watching.